Welcome to this video on Setring Carpenter work in Dubai. Dubai is known for its innovative and modern architecture, making it an attractive destination for construction professionals. In this video, we will be discussing the various aspects of being a setting carpenter in Dubai and the skills required to excel in this profession. What is a setting carpenter? A setting carpenter is a skilled professional who specializes in installing and finishing woodwork and cabinetry in buildings. Setting carpenters work in both residential and commercial buildings, creating beautiful and functional spaces that meet the needs of the building's occupants. Job responsibilities. The job responsibilities of a setting carpenter in Dubai include reading and interpreting blueprints and building plans, measuring and cutting materials, installing cabinetry and woodwork, and using a variety of hand and power tools. Setting carpenters also collaborate with other members of the construction team, including architects, engineers, and contractors, to ensure the project is completed on time and within budget. Skills and qualifications. To become a successful setting carpenter in Dubai, there are several skills and qualifications you will need. These include bullet points, physical dexterity and manual dexterity, strong mathematical skills, good communication and collaboration skills, ability to follow safety protocols, experience with hand and power tools, ability to work independently or as part of a team, familiarity with local building codes and regulations, education and training. While there is no formal education requirement to become a setting carpenter in Dubai, it's recommended to complete a trade school program or apprenticeship to gain hands-on experience and learn the skills required for the job. These programs also provide opportunities to earn certifications and build a network of professional contacts in the industry. Career advancement. With experience and additional training, setting carpenters in Dubai can advance their careers in several ways, including becoming a lead carpenter, project manager, or supervisor. Some carpenters also choose to start their own businesses or specialize in a specific aspect of the trade, such as custom cabinetry or millwork. Job outlook in Dubai. The job outlook for setting carpenters in Dubai is positive, with the construction industry in Dubai growing and expanding in recent years. With a strong skill set and a good work ethic, setting carpenters in Dubai can expect to have a long and rewarding career in this field. Key takeaways. In conclusion, setting carpenter work in Dubai is a challenging and rewarding profession that requires a combination of physical dexterity, mathematical skills, and communication skills. With education, training, and experience, setting carpenters in Dubai can expect to have a successful and fulfilling career in this field.